Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert a task into a subtask in Asana. So first step is to go down to your project section and open the project where you want to convert your tasks to. Then open the task that you want to use. So it will open up like this, and then scroll down until you see Subtask menu. Here you have the option to go to a task that you want to convert to subtask, and go right here to this option and drag and drop it right here until you see this line appearing, and then let go. Now, as you can see, it automatically converted this task to a subtask for this main task. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.